Malailau mali e aho eiki mo lelei e tonga kotoa ko whiawhia ki taritali lelei ki mautolo ki ho mo ngā hiongongo mo le tio kai uma ai television e tonga ki he hoani. I he wakai koia ki ngāhi ulu i o ngongo. Ngā onu e Pasifiki ki kamata ngāwe ai pe ta uni ai ofisi sino ngāwe PRF i Tongani. Poke e tō taha me he toko tolu ne hola me malumalu e kau polisi ka ku kei hoka tupe whekumi ke toko ua o ku kei hola. Pea vela osi ha apnof angai fasi mo afi kai malo ne i kai hamo ui e mole. O kuta iei pe ngāhi tala noa kehe ana iange pehe e tau wakahi ki ngāhi o ngongo me he malae o sipoti kai uma ai tō ngā oi ea. Ka koe wakailewa e ni ki he whakahi ki iki, kua o Liliane Polutele. Kua ngā une Pasifiki ke kamata ngāwe mo ngai ake Office Pasifiki, ki he sino ngāwe whawhitu e Pasifiki ki hana whapaangai we sia tupu me whiriri wake e ape koe Pacific Resilience Facility PRF i Tongani i tauni whakafuafua ki August pe September. Hiri eni hana lelea, ne whakako eni hiwi keni sene au sitelelea aia ne me ai minister mo ui Hokawa mi liku ka koe whawhonga ia o e minister, whamalumalu ai e waa koe ke whiriri waki o e ea, ka koe eiki palemia ai mahino pe foki koe whataha koe nini whahoko i sene. I he whangai eke a ngonga le te o Tonga mo Hokawa mi liku na ane mea, na ia lea I enloro tonga i whakataha i ka minister ai Pasifiki ke whiriri waki o ea I Sene au sitelelia neafi ki uhi kona wharaivia ai whingawe a ki whawhitu o Pasifiki. Ki ono tau e whiriri waki o ea mo e teu ki he whakataha toka mua pe pre-COP torutaha I Fisi. Mo e conference whakamamana COP torutaha ai o manaki ke whakahoko ki toake. Nā ne mea ni whakatoka ngai maki hei pe hene whakamuimui taha o ki ai office whakawhitu ai Pasifiki ki sino ngāwe PRF ke whotu mo whaifatongi ai Tongani hiriangi I hano tali e whakataha anga kautaki e Pasifiki I wā whewa whā ke whotu e sino ngāwe ni I Tongani.
O siaga ngō staff e ua I Tonga, pa wai ke hiki angi pe mo kau mo CEO leo mo mea ke nau ka mata I Tonga I mahina hoko mai August pe September. Ko whapapau pene office te nau iai, pa mga arrangement pe he, ko ngai totonu te nau mau he nau wangi. He wangi pe whokia ko ha international organization. Pe ko ha ngai sino ma ke he koin whamaman lahi, he nei loto ke koin kautaki, pe na sita, o hoko koe treaty organization, pe ko ha sino whakalao whamaman lahi. Pa koe mea whawhiawhia koe taua ka tuunga ko whotu lewa o whakarele a sino ko ni I ka hau wawe mai I Tonga. Kau toki tānaki mea pe ngai kau staff mo wala mea pe e taini mi o kosi lava race he sino ko ni e pa ngai te au me te au tupu milion US. Ko inga fuken ke whaia ke ne toko ni mo ala mea pe ka koe whinga ia he whtang koe mea nau lau kia pre-COP pe koe COP koe pe koe ngai whakatahalahi koe ne whiriwa ke ke te whaia ha ui mo hako le toko ni ke ngai sino ngai whanua I muri e nā toi lawa te mau mea ha se niti ke toi whakalahi a se niti koe ni a sino koe ni mai Pasifiki.
Pehe Hokawa mi liku e kamata ngāwe ai pe ai ofisi o sino ngāwe ni I he ofisi o e palemia kai o lewa ko maumali ha ofisi pau ke hoka tuki ai e nā whakahoko whatongia. O mahino pe koe taha poini 5 piliona ai tāketi ne whakotu he kautaki ke tānaki ki he sino ngāwe ni kāna e toi whotu e tāketi wawe koe 5 miliona koe hi ke malawa e he sino ngāwe ni o whiawe ngai whiema o e Pasifiki pea ke malawa pe a he sino ngāwe ni o whakatupu paanga.
Ke whai whinga koe ni he pre-COP, nā lawa toi toko ni maha ngai whanua, ke tauraki hiti ai whai tāketi uraki, ma tau toko unu ai pe ke he tāketi ua ai koe taha poe 5 bilion. Kau koe mea mahuinga he ni, koe ki ngata pe he whakapaanga he kamata, koe no toi replenish recapitalization koe panga he angi koe ni apau tau whamore te au milion he u project he Pasifiki e mau whewhe ke toi whakawhonu mai e tau lepa ka te au milion ke tau sio leo ke u whanua Ia hanau tokoni, pakatau. Tau pe ni manoa miliona i tau. E ni ma pe hongo fulu hoko mai mo interest ko hatau se niti o invest. Ke mahino pe o ia se niti ke tokonia ngai project e Pasifiki e tau unua tu me tau ki tau. E koe konga life o kia ai uhinga nai fotu o e sino koe ni koe tau whainga tā ia koe whainga ke ngai sino e muri ke nau o mai hase niti pe tokoni mai ke tau ngai project ki. Ka fotu lewa sino koe ni ke whainga fuai. Ai access pe koe lava mau ha tokoni ke ngai project koe whiliwa ke e Pasifiki.
Ke hene toi iei pe menga hika venga ke hene ale lea kia i kau taki loro tonga taratara noa koe ni aneawhi o whakate whito he whema o ki nau wakai i hanga he whaunga. Moha ngāwe ke whai pe whakakato koe hui koe whainga mālie o e conference whakamamani lahi ki he whiririwa ke ea pe koptoro taha o ku amana ki whai i toa ke hui koe whema o ke mateu teu ke e Pasifiki ke au ki ai ko mālie e ngai ka venga mo e ta whaaki pe kaweinga pe wesia o ku whianga hangai me ngai whanua o Pasifiki ai o ku whi mao vivili ki ai tokoni me tokanga me ngai whanua o mamani. Ko malawa eni laro to ngani ke puke mata pule tau tahanima me ni ihe kau popula hola ni tau i whakalau ki nau toli malu o i kau polisi ka aku te ekipe iai haola i whikumi ki toko waku kei hola. Ne hola ni ihi koe ni me malu e aptanga polisi Nuku'alofa e whiawhi sāpate. Koe li ena na whapapau i mihi e potu ngāwe polisi a na puke toko tahani pongpongi mo ni te hili hano lamasi. E he kau polisi ke wheitu o konga maheni ke mao me mata pleni. Pe he ko mata aptanga polisi Tongatapu halata tauwha ne talo hono tauhi mata pule tau tahani ma koe ni ko mao aya ko Encheliko whaawa i e malu e kau polisi me mahina ko suneki e hia koe hai whale me kai haa. Ka mahina koe toko ua ku kei hola aya ko whaigei e whikumi ke mata pule tau tolu wha aya ko liwaki funga leivi pe he kia Adam Hussein pe he tau whane tau hono tau hi whakalau a vi me mahina ko me ki e hia tuku a ki hengai aki koe ngahi tohi ngāwe loi o kau ki ai passporti loi ko Hussein lewa ni tau hia me mahina ko February ki he hia ta tau mo vi ka au kuto e kau ki ai mo hia koe mau o i koloa i he whaumatala noi. O ko kei whaumamawhai e peheni me he potu ngāwe polisi, ai maho inga ko ia ki he kakai e whanua. Ke nau takoni ki he whikumia ku whai, hono lipo te atu ha whainga whaumatala, e mau e ha taha ki he wheituu pe e lia o ku whakatoa ngā iai, ai toko ua koe ni o ku kei hola ke takoni ki he whakatotolo ku whai. I kai ngai tai ka ki whaumahino ki kakai e whanua, koe hia, ai whenga hataha ke tokoni pe fufu i hataha o kola mihi malu ko ia o kau polisi pe bilisone. Na e vela osi ha api no whaanga i whasi moiawhi e pongpongi ane awhi, kai malo ne i kai hamo ui e mole. Ko hono whakapapau i eni me potu ngāwe tāma te awhi hilia a hono mau o i lipo ti whikau aki moe māma koe ni. I he pongpongi ane awhi o au tono atuai ai waa tāma te awhi e potu ngāwe kua osi kapu e he awhi pe kapu e he māma ai whale no whaanga koe ni. Ka te tau whakaiki e whakaiki ki moli tea tau kapo. I he whakamatala ai komisiona tāma te awhi, Viliami Tui Halamaka. Nāne pehe nei mau e potu ngāwe ai ui tokoni ki whakatū tāma kini, whakafuafua ki osi hongo fulu me he tahataha pongpongi. I he lolo tongani, o te eki lava o tala ai tupuanga o vela ai whaleni pe koe whei tuu pe e lia ne kamata me ai māmā. Koe lahi o whale o ku mita e hiva te smale fitu hono loloa, pe mita e walu te smale nima hono mau kupu. Ato kapa, holispiliki, moe papa, whaliki sima, moe papa whakatou osi.
E taim kona ea o atuai ai kau ngā weki he māma koe ni o si kapu o pitope ai whare koe ni e he vela. Pupepe me ngai whamatala koni ulawa ki tā naki pia mau e tainimi e potu ngā ue. O ku nai ngai ake ai whare no whanga koe ni e toko ono. Pea lo tonga koni o mama ko ni ko to ko wana na ngawe aki ai whare ko ni. Ku mai no pena e hao pe ke kia ha mo i e more pe ko ha la vea. Ko formatala ko ku te lava o mai te di mi. Ko e whare no fuanga ko ni ku no fo pe ai tō taha koe hāna e a pipa mono hoa, e pege na ki whānau i tō whā. Pea, tōka māma koe ni ulo tonga mawahe atu e tō taha koe ni hāna e a pi. Ki ngā ue, pea moe tō tolu e ki whānau koe ni ki he ako. Koe whae te mana ki reka sisi taha, na i he whare no fuanga koe ni. Na e whangamare pe ngā ue, potu ngā ue pia i he ngā ue takoni at koni me aptanga koe e Nuku'alofa kana kai ke toi se mau hanga hi support pe tokoni whakamea ngā ue mo kau ngā ue me ha aptanga neongo nai ki ofi mai pe ai whare na fuanga ai ta ki he whare koni ai hoko kia mama pe moe ape ta ai ko ngō kaunga apien ka ku me whenga mare pe o lava pe o tau pe ai pe mo pure i pe ai mama i e whare pe koe nei lo tonga vela.
Nai whama mawhai e komisiona tā mate awhi ai mahu inga ke toi tokanga ngi ai kakai o whonua ke whakapapau i o whakasi i ai whainga mālie ke hoko ai ha māma i api te lia ha mo ui e mole pe la vea. Mai o ngonga le tio me televisioni Tonga, ko auli tea tau kapo. Kua malama e ni o puke he kau polisi ai o Tongatapu le koe ta uahiwa mei kolonga, pe he ki he ta u taha waru mei vaini o whikau aki eni mo hia ko hono whalawea i o Tongatapu le ta uono wha mei malapo. Ko e hiri eni ai whita aki ne hoko i he elia i tua i he whale hulo hula pilaika i mauwhanga i he whalai te koe ia wike ko o sili te atau kapo ai pe mo e whai ki. Nai puke ai o ngō whakailoani he moni te o wike ni o whakailo ki e hia koe whakalavea. He lia ai lavea ha tangata tau o na whāmi malapo makatuunga me he whita aki ne hoko. Ko honoa o sia e ngā weni hiliange i hono tu whaki holo i mi tia whakasosiale e ngahi ata o whikau aki mai makuku nai hoko. Neongo e ni ka oku kei hoko atu pe a whakatotolo ki he kawe ngani. Ka tau toi wakaingi peheni ki ngāhi ulu i o ngongo. Ngā unu ai Pasifiki ke kamata ngā aue ai pe i he tauni ai ofisi o sino ngā aue ai Pasifiki ki hono whapaanga i ngā hiwesia mei he whiririwake ea pe PRF i Tongani i tauni. Poke ai toko taha mi he toko tolu ne hola mi he malumalu e kau polisi ka ku kei hoka tupe whikumi ki he toko ua o ku kei hola. Pe a vela osi ha api no whaanga i whasi mo i awhi, kai malo ne i kai hamu ui e mole. Mo e kakato i peia i ngāhi o ngongo mo i le tio kai uma ai televisone Tonga ki houani mo i whakaamu ne au taki kotoa atu peia ki loto whale kotoa. Kai malo i tau kei whi au mai ka mou mea.
Good evening and welcome to your English news package with Radio and Television Tonga News for this Wednesday evening, July 22nd. Taking a look at today's top stories. The Pacific Climate Ministers' Dalanoa takes place ahead of pre-COP31 with Pacific Resilience Facility expected to set up office in Tonga soon. Police recapture one of the 3 escaped prisoners and 2 men charged for assault and incident outside a bar in Mauwhanga last week. These and more stories coming up, as well as a look at the latest in the sports scene and the latest weather update. Now, I'm Popo Aho with the news in detail. The regional office of the Pacific Resilience Facility, or PRF, in Tonga is expected to begin operations and become functional later this year, likely in the next month or 2. This follows the 6 Pacific Climate Ministers Talanoa in Sydney, Australia yesterday, attended by the Minister of Health representing the Prime Minister, who holds the Environment and Climate Change portfolio.
The Pacific Climate Ministers' Talanoa session was to strengthen regional climate cooperation and advance a United Pacific agenda ahead of pre-COP 31 in the Pacific and COP 31 in Turkey. Speaking to radio and television Tonga News this morning, Wakawami Liku says an update on the PRF regional office provided, in which the general manager for the Pacific Resilience Facility, Finau Soko, will be the one acting CEO for this office in Tonga to help establish the office in Tonga, and will be accompanied by other members from their office.
The staff that were based in the forum will be moving over to Tonga in the next month or so to start setting up the office and so forth, recruiting staff, and that's an exciting development. Which now we're really looking at operationalizing PRF, and at the same time moving forward in advocacy. Telling people what PRF is all about, and the upcoming pre-COP meetings here in Fiji and here in the Pacific, in Fiji and Tuvalu, will be helpful in actually showcasing what role PRF can play in addressing some of the challenges and the issues that we face in the Pacific. So PRF is one of the key tools, financing tools, that we believe can actually make a difference in our efforts to combat the negative impact of climate change, especially here in the Pacific.
Hukawamiliku says the Pacific Resilience Facility Regional Office will operate from the office of the Prime Minister until it secures its own permanent office. The Pacific Resilience Facility has secured close to $100 million pledges and continues to seek further support and contributions from development partners and countries.
So one part of the discussion at this ministerial Talanoa climate change ministerial here in Sydney was to actually get an update on where things are and where things are heading with this particular facility. The original aim is $1.5 billion in terms of funding, but the immediate target is $500 million. To date, about 34% have been. We got pledges for about 34% of that $500 million, and the focus now is actually discussing it with partners, showcasing them what we have in mind for PRF and what's the objectives and how we're going to run it and so forth, to actually get them to see the benefit for the Pacific, but also to have confidence in the structure, in the governance that we have in place for this treaty organization.
The PRF was officially approved in 2024 to be established in Tonga, and it was later officially endorsed in 2025 during the Pacific Islands Leaders Meeting in the Solomon Islands. It aims to assist vulnerable populations and strengthen the region's capacity to respond to future challenges through a resilient and locally driven financing mechanism. However, there were other matters discussed during this climate ministerial Talanoa, including focused on advancing shared regional priorities through the Pacific Senior Officials Task Force, including coordination of Pacific positions, preparations for the pre-COP in Fiji, and the leaders' site visit to Tuvalu.
One of the 3 detainees who escaped from the Nuku'alofa police station on Sunday has been recaptured, while police continue searching for 2 who remain at large. Commander of the Tongatapu Police Station, Tonga says the detainee, 15-year-old Angelico Paula, was apprehended on Monday morning after police found him at a place where he had been previously. He is now back in police custody. Paula had been remanded in police custody since June on charges of housebreaking and theft. Police continuing their search for other two escaped remand prisoners, 34-year-olds Niwaki Fungalevi and Adam Hussein. Alpha says V had been in police custody since May on charges related to the use of forged documents, including a fake passport. Hussein had been in custody since February on charges involving the use of forged documents and obtaining goods by false pretenses. The Tonga police continue to stress the importance of public cooperation and urge anyone with information on the whereabouts of the two men to report it immediately and assist in the ongoing search. Police also remind the public that it is a serious crime to assist anyone who has escaped from prison or police custody. Fire and emergency services responded to a house fire in Fasi yesterday morning, and although the house could not be saved, fortunately there were no injuries or lives lost in the incident.
According to the Fire and Emergency Services, the cause of the fire has not yet been determined. Fire Commissioner Vilami Tuihalamaka said the fire was reported shortly after 11 yesterday morning, and it was understood there were two people inside the house at the time. Firefighters responded quickly to contain the blaze and prevent it from spreading to neighboring homes, while also ensuring the safety of residents in the area. Commissioner Tuihalamaka said that the house was home to 6 people, parents and their 4 children, and at the time of the fire, the father and the 3 of the children were away, and only the mother and the youngest child were at home. Commissioner Tuihalamaka again stressed the importance of taking extra care to reduce the risk of house fires and help prevent injuries or loss of life. Reporting for Radio and Television Tongan News, I'm Litea Taukapo.
And 2 men have been arrested and charged for their part in an incident outside a bar at Maufanga last week, where an older man was injured, with video footage of the scuffle going viral online.
Tonga police arrested a 29-year-old man from Kolonga and an 18-year-old man from Waini on Monday in connection with the alleged assault, which occurred on 17th of July 2026. Both men have been charged with bodily harm following the assault on the 64-year-old victim from Malapo, who sustained injuries during the incident. Police said investigations into the matter are ongoing.
Bringing us to the end of this news package with Radio and Television Tonga News for tonight. But before we wrap up, here's a final look at tonight's top stories. Pacific Climate Ministers Dalanoa ahead of pre-COP31, with Pacific Resilience Facility expected to set up office in Tonga soon. Police recapture 1 of the 3 escaped prisoners, and 2 men have been charged for assault in incidents outside a bar in Maufanga last week. That's your news package for this Wednesday evening, July 22nd. Join us again tomorrow for the latest local and sports news and weather updates. Now, for myself and the Radio and Television Tonga News team, thank you for joining us. Have a good evening.